Let's learn how to nest audio tracks in Premiere Pro. If you find this guide useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips. Start by adding your video and audio clips to the timeline. Go to the project panel, right-click, and choose New Item Adjustment Layer. Click OK to accept the default settings and drag the adjustment layer above your clips, extending its duration to match your longest audio clip. Next, select all your audio clips, hold down the Shift key, and select the adjustment layer. Right-click on the selection and choose Nest. Give the nested sequence a name or hit OK. Now, select all the audio clips and the nested video clip on the timeline and delete them. Drag the nested sequence from the project panel onto the timeline, and it will include an audio track. Hold the Alt key to select only the video part of the nested sequence, and press Delete. Double-click the nested audio clip to edit its contents if needed, and return to the main timeline by clicking the first tab. That's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips.